Hello everyone, here is a question: how to make your relationship stronger. It takes time and effort to build a good relationship with your partner. Needless to say that having a relationship with someone is a big responsibility to fulfill. However, it needs regular maintenance to enliven a long-lasting relationship, which will ultimately build a strong bond between the two. It begins with how you organize and manage your everyday activities while living together. Thank you for listening. You are one of many people who spare a few minutes of valuable time on a regular basis in developing you by watching inspirational videos like this. You may click on the like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. Here are a few tips that might help strengthen your relationship. Number 1. Be conscious about your role and responsibility for your partner. Number 2. Love and respect each other unconditionally and accept each other as you are. Number 3. Give priority to love rather than your ego. Be sure to reflect your words to the actions and take care of each other. Number 4. Be open, honest, and trustworthy to each other. Keep in mind that saying "I trust you" and acting accordingly is more powerful than saying "I love you." Number 5. Communicate well on a regular basis, compromise when disagreeing, and make a commitment to what you do. Number 6. Be sure to share when a big decision has to be made that may impact both of you in the long run. Number 7. Give some free space to each other to develop individually and share with each other what each of you has learned. Number 8. Value each other's thoughts and perspective. Arguing is okay, but be sure that you are arguing to fix the problem, not to win the argument. Number 9. Do some activities together on a regular basis, such as walking, doing household work, laughing, watching a movie, going to bed, workout, etc. I hope you find this information helpful. It all begins with you. Thank you very much.